Gano'n na kalaki na tipid mo sa Uniqlo?
Wala pa, hindi pa nag-uumpisa. Ngayon pa lang.
Yeah, but you look amazing.
Thank you.
Well, always stylish, but wow, how do you feel about having this gig, this partnership?
It's a dream come true. Again, like I said kanina, ang laki na ng gastos ko sa Uniqlo. Lagi ako nabubuto sa Uniqlo. So I'm so happy. ROI ko na.
I love it.
I'm so happy that they trusted me. They trusted me with the bra top because I am obsessed with this bra top. I think I own every color. My mom and I, we always buy this. Even pag nasa ibang bansa kami.
Yun na, it's so easy kasi and comfortable. Pero wait lang because I know for your body type, sexy, voluptuous. I mean, 'di ba? There can be challenges, right? Lalo na pag, 'di ba, endowed ka nga.
Kind of heavy up here.
Yeah.
But that's why I mentioned a while ago, I love the support. Aside from it being so comfortable, the support matters the most syempre for me. I don't like the feeling of not being supported. I don't feel free to move. It makes me feel so conscious. So I like with the bra tops, everything's so seamless, but I'm so supported.
I love it. And wait lang, so congratulations because much talked about ang iyong Chapel Rowan.
Thank you.
Grabe, ano kamusta yung transformation mo?
Oh, it's so fun. It's been so fun. I always tell myself, I think this is the best project I've ever worked on because it's just so fun. I look forward to coming to work every day. I look forward to the rehearsals. I look forward to the mentorings, everything. It's been so much fun. And the people I'm working with right now, nag-click kami lahat. So it's just it's amazing.
How does it feel like to be a popular person impersonating another popular person?
So something about me is I love Halloween.
Yeah.
It's my favorite day of the year. So with your face, I sort of feel like it's Halloween all the time because I get to be different people. Like I was Chapel Roan for a day.
Yeah.
That's crazy. It felt so magical to me to step in her shoes for just one moment. And
What was the best comment that you saw that really stuck to you?
I guess it was just the appreciation of people saying na they're so happy that I'm finally getting my flowers and sobrang touch ako talaga because I've been doing this for so long and it's still a surprise to some people that I can sing pala. Yeah, I don't expect everyone to know me or to know that what I can do. So that's why I'm so grateful for your face because it's another avenue for me to show what I can do.
Ang galing. And talaga na-appreciate nila. How's your relationship with your co-members na nagtatransform din? Ano yung mga funny backstage stories na pwede mong i-share?
So weird because I feel like I've known them for so long pero nakakadalawang episode pa lang kami. But we're so close na. Like we text each other all the time. We have a group chat and I'm pretty sure if hindi lang magkakatugma yung schedule, we'd be hanging out all the time. But it's so fun. I don't mind that our shoots end late at all. In fact, I don't want to go home. I don't want to remove my makeup. I don't want to remove my prosthetics. It's just, I feel ko siya.
It doesn't feel like a competition.
No, not at all. Especially sa totoo lang, it's a running joke sa amin na si Jason di na lang tsaka si Jamiel yung magkalaban. Kami, na lang kami for the vibes. So, kaya nyo na yan. Nandito lang kami for fun.
Paano ba, nagbe-brainstorm na kayo bago pa kayo mag-transform sa icon na tatransform nyo? Kasi paano pag nagpaparehas kayo?
It's up to the staff naman.
Okay.
And who knows, baka pwedeng may magkapareho, di ba? We'll never know. For this season, I believe ang dami mga twists. Hindi pa namin na-explore, so I think isa-surprise na lang kami.
I love it.
Yes, thank you.
Nandito pa si Jungkook.
Yes, katabi ko pa si Jungkook. Si Akira.
Yeah. So when you say na, pasok ko na po yung mga bra top ba, what would make PBB life easier?
Yes. Yes, kasi sabi ko nga nung nag-PBB ako, I wish na-complete ko na yung collection ko ng bra top. Siguro araw-araw yun na lang yung suot ko kasi we can move, we can do our tasks without ever worrying about bras. And it's so comfortable. So maganda siya pantulog. Para pagising mo, gorgeous ka agad.
Correct.
Actually, totoo yun.
Very last na lang, Alexa, how hard was yung doing the yodel ba yung tawag for
Chapel Road?
Yeah.
Actually, for Pink Pony Club, there wasn't much yodels eh. Parang she has other songs na mas evident talaga yung pag-yodel niya. But I am a huge Chapel Road fan. So sometimes, I would just yodel in the middle of the day.
I love
I
it.
would yodel for every song. Parang inaasar na nga ako ni KD minsan na nagiging Chapel Row na. Kasi any song mag-yodel na lang ako bigla. But yeah, it's a technique na I'm also trying to learn. So yeah, it's so fun.
Oh, KD mentioned. Yes. How's he supporting all this?
Oh, yeah, of course, he's so happy. He's so happy for me. He's one of the people who also believe that I am underrated. And who would...
Gabi ko naman.
No, I mean, I take that naman as a compliment that people believe na, oh, I deserve more. So thank you so
Course.
much.
Own it.
I really, really appreciate that. And the fact na nakikitaan nila ako ng potential at ng galing, it's the reason I do what I do. I mean, it's the reason I work so hard and I always give everything that I can.
Oh, I love it. Thank you.
Thank you
You
so
deserve
much,
it all. You're very talented.
Ikaw, travel ka na travel,
Grabe
ha?
ka?
Galing-galing.
Grabe ka hindi. Thanks, Uniqlo. Charot. Ayun na nga, ano ko na nga yung ano ko, winter wear.
For sure, girl.
I've been so busy since the